Hi, I am Harish Gojeti and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we are going to learn about why most accounting firms use GenAI but still don't see the ROI. Here's a surprising truth. Most accounting firms experimenting with generative AI still can't explain still can't clearly explain what's the ROI. The ROI gap. So where's the gap? Research shows that only a small fraction of firms actively measure ROI from GenAI initiatives. Many don't measure at all, right? So that doesn't mean AI isn't valuable. It means adoption is happening without a structure. So why is the ROI missing? There are three main reasons why firms struggle to show the ROI. Unstructured reason number one is unstructured adoption. Letting staff experiment with tools is not a strategy. I can just go ahead, subscribe to AWS, sign up into Bedrock, play with it, right? So that's not really a strategy, just playing with some tools. So no governance or no guardrails. Without policies, firms risk inconsistent outputs, compliance issues, client trust erosion, right? So basically, if you give incorrect outputs to the customers, to your clients, they will lose trust on you, right? So that is really no governance and guardrails is the second reason. The third reason is no clear success metrics. If you don't define what success looks like with generative AI adoption, then you can't really say you have achieved it, right? So is it time saved? Is it reducing the number of errors? Is it capacity freed, like the number of hours, your team members, number of team members that are free to take on new projects? So what is it? So what is the success metric that you need to define to really understand the success of the GenAI adoption? So what successful firms who adopted GenAI do differently? Firms that see ROI do the three things differently. They start with specific use cases. They run controlled pilots or POCs, which are fully funded by AWS. They measure outcomes before scaling. Most importantly, they don't bet the firm on AI on day one, right? It's a process. It's a strategy you start executing on, and you start seeing the results over a period of time. So what you need to do is you need to introduce a low risk path. There are always structured POCs that you can run that doesn't cost anything for you because AWS funds all these POCs. There are ways to just test generative AI in accounting firms with governance, with security, with clear metrics, and often with with no upfront cost actually when you do this through AWS partner programs. So in the next video, what I'll do is I'll explain you what a safe production ready GenAI pilot or POC actually looks like for an accounting firm from architecture to rollout. If you are serious about adopting GenAI and not just experimenting, subscribe to this channel and I'll show you how to adopt generative AI for your accounting firm for very specific use cases, including uh, demos, so you can learn and adopt as quickly as you can. Thank you.